Hi, I'm Lee Beaumont. Yeah, I want to introduce you to my Wellis Stupid the hot tub. It's absolutely superb. We've had it now just over a year, and when we wanted to look at getting a hot tub, we initially had one inflatable one that sat on our patio, but after a year's time we decided though that we wanted to get one. We were recommended Wellis, we approached Simon All Seasons, and we've never looked back. It's been a superb buy. Yeah, I play cricket in Captain Middlesbrough Cricket Club in the North York South Durham Premier League. My two sons play in the Premier League, and the best thing that we can possibly do is sometimes come home after a hard day's cricket and sit in this and relax. It's absolutely fantastic. And we've been at work all day, the best thing you can do is come home and sit in this. Yeah, it's been well worth the money.